Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make the Serene Infinity Cowl, and it is the perfect project for beginners, so keep on watching. Alright, so for this project you're going to need a 7mm crochet hook and a size 4 worsted weight yarn. I am using the Lion brand Pound of Love, and this is what I have left after I made one of these, so you could probably make 2 of these with the Pound of Love yarn. And like always, we're going to start making a slip knot. And we're going to be chaining 29. So make 29 chains. And once you are all done with that, I will show you how to continue with this project. Alrighty, so here I have my 29 chains, and I'm going to make an extended half double crochet on the second chain from my hook. And if you're not familiar with the extended half double crochet, I do have a tutorial on it, and I will link it on the top of this video. But I will show you here real quick how to make it. So you yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, and you should have 3 loops again, yarn over, and then pull through all the remaining 3 loops on your hook. And that is a stitch that we're gonna be using all throughout the project. So it's pretty simple, same stitch. So here I'm doing that again. And here I'm just going to show you the difference between the normal half double crochet. With the normal, you just have the 3 loops and then yarn over and pull through those 3. So that is a half double crochet, but we are doing the extended half double crochet. So I hope you can see the difference here. And just to show you one more time, you are going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through the remaining 3 loops on your hook. And you're going to do that all the way across your chain. Here I have my first row finished, and this is going to be the width, and then the rows is going to be the length of your project. So for the second row, we're going to chain 2, and then we will be turning our work. So chain 2, turn, and we make an extended half double crochet on that first stitch. The chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Alright, so we're just going to make 1 extended half double crochet in every stitch across. Alright, so my second row is finished. And for the remaining of this project, we're basically just repeating row number 2. Which is after you finish, you chain 2 and then you turn your work, and then you make 1 extended half double crochet all the way across. And it's super simple, you guys. You just repeat the same steps until your scarf measures 60 inches long. That is the length that mine was. But if you prefer longer, you can make it longer, or shorter, you can make it shorter. It's up to you. So once you are done, you're just going to fold the 2 ends together, the opposite ends together. You're going to grab the opposite ends of the scarf and then stitch them together. Here, I already did mine. But you basically just whip stitch that together so you close the scarf. And here is the opposite side. This is how it looks. And I'm just going to weave in my ends after that on that back side, just so you hide them. And that's pretty much it, you guys. After that, you are done. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you guys make this scarf, tag me on Instagram. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.